So BMW just hit me up. They put me on a scavenger hunt. I'm on the mission to find Beemer the bear. If I can find this bear and deliver it to BMW Arrowhead, I'm entering the chance to win a BMW bicycle that's worth $1,000. So I'm on my way to find Beemer the bear, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So let's go. So we went to BJ's restaurant and picked up the Beemer bear. So now I'm headed to BMW Arrowhead to deliver the bear, and hopefully we can win this bicycle. Pretty cool bear. Got the Beemer bear, BJ's restaurant. Got you, little fella. You in good hands now. So we got the Beemer bear. Now we're headed back to BMW Arrowhead, and hopefully we enter in this contest to win the bicycle. Hopefully we win. Birthday bike. Alright, so now we're at BMW Arrowhead. You can see. And we got the bear. So we got the bear. We're going to BMW Arrowhead. Turn in the bear.